how to draw a fillable line in Microsoft Word. If for any reason you want to insert a line in your Microsoft Word, this video is for you. I'm going to provide you with two different options. With the first one, if you want to insert the fillable line, all you have to do is to continue to click on insert. Then with this selected, make sure to click on shape and then proceed to tap on line. After that, you can locate the area that you want to insert that line, and in this case I'm going to tap it here. Then left click and drag it until you reach your desired location, then leave it there. And with the style shape, we can then proceed to come here and then tap on it and then either make it bigger or thinner. So in this case I'm going to make it quite deeper by selecting on this. That's the first option. With the second option, we can then proceed to tap on the rule number, for instance. Then on your keyboard, make sure to long press on shift, then tap on the minus icon and then proceed to tap on it until you reach your desired location. Or with the class, you can then proceed to select on it again, then long press on your shift, then continue to tap on this minus icon until you reach your desired location. That's basically two ways that you can use to insert a fillable line in your Microsoft Word. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.